This is the unboxing of Yamaha P-515 portable digital piano. So I've just opened the box and that's what it looks like inside. And Sue is just taking the packaging out now. There looks to be two boxes at the back there. Whatever that is, I think that might just be packaging. So this piece comes out as one piece by the look of it. There's nothing in that little side thing. It was packaging. So we've still got some polystyrene there. So this piece at this end we'll take out. And now I think it's sitting on the polystyrene pieces, so we're going to have to now lift the keyboard out. So that's what it looks like there. It looks like there's something underneath here. Probably the music stand rest or something. No, that looks like the foot pedal. And the music stand rest is there at the back. So at the back here, I've got the stand, the music stand, as well as the foot pedal here that I've just taken out too. And something here. That's obviously the electric cord. And as we're in the UK, they've also sent me a UK plug, which I'll show you in a second. That's the UK plug that they've sent me. It obviously goes into the back of there. 3-pin plug. And then we've got something here. Let's have a look. And this obviously is the transformer electric cable that plugs into the back to give the power. So in that first of these two boxes, looks like we've got a package with the instruction manual and online membership registration, etc. there. And in the second box, okay, that's the instruction manual for the actual keyboard. So I'm not really sure what that is yet until I open it. Let's have a look, hang on. So basically what we've ended up with is this one, owner's manual. And it's obviously for different countries, different language. And last but not least, let's open the actual keyboard. So there we go, the Yamaha P-515, and today is February 2020. I think it's the 13th today, Thursday the 13th. I'll show you the keys. Look at that, on the surface looks like they've got like a slightly grainy look to them. Oh, and they feel it too. That must be this ebony and ivory artificial feel to them. And look, and there's the control board. All in all, it looks very nice. It's quite heavy, but still more portable than a Clavinova. Anyway, all this is to be recycled. All the cardboard and packaging, there's quite a bit of it. I'll keep the box for a while just in case I need to send it back for any reason. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. Subscribe and look out for my next one. Thank you. Bye bye.